Hi guys, this is Divisha Agrawal. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So this one is related to winter care tips and hacks that I have been personally using from last so many years. These hacks and tips are related to fashion, skincare, hair care and everything nice. So I thought that today I should just come here and share my wisdom with you guys. So let's just get into the video. So the first hack is related to my favorite fashion accessory, which is boots. You all know that I love wearing boots irrespective of the weather. I wear it all the time, but in winter especially I love wearing them outside, and it just tends to get dirty, of course, like it's obvious. So earlier I used to clean it using cloth or tissues, and it never used to work really well. It always used to leave this white lint on the top, and which I absolutely hated. So a few weeks ago I actually came up with this hack, which is using wet wipes to clean all your boots. Now it leaves it as good as new, and it doesn't leave any kind of white lint on the top, which I love. And yeah, it works really well for cleaning your boots or your shoes, any kind of shoes for that matter. So this hack is kind of a lifesaver when it comes to keeping my footwear clean. Next tip is to invest in your turtlenecks. Now when it comes to winter fashion, turtlenecks are a staple. They are super versatile as well, and it will instantly make your any outfit look super chic and stylish. Plus it is really easy to style with coats, blazers, dresses, shirts or sweatshirts, hoodies, anything basically. So it's really versatile, and good quality turtleneck is really important when it comes to winter fashion. So you should always invest in turtlenecks with basic colors like black, white, neutral, or even like this one. This is navy blue color, so that you can use it many times with different things for different kind of looks. So invest in those turtlenecks. The third hack is related to wearing your dresses along with your sweaters. Now I love wearing my summer dresses during winter because it gets really boring and monotonous to wear the same old jeans and trousers and full pants during winter. So I like to mix things up and wear my maxi skirts and maxi dresses during winter. So yeah, so wearing a sweater on top of it becomes really difficult, and it doesn't really define the body shape properly. So this is the hack that I use. So what I like to do is wear my dress, wear the sweater on top of it and put a belt on top of it, and then I pull the sweater out of my belt like this, and then just make it a little proper by giving it a proper shape. And that's how you wear a sweater with a dress, and it looks super chic and stylish, and plus keeps you warm. So win-win situation for everyone. Fourth tip is actually all about colors. Now winter fashion can be really like boring sometimes with very less colors. Like you usually have neutrals, blacks, whites, blues and all those dull colors maybe. So there is no color as such in your outfit. So what I like to do is wear colorful accessories like maybe colorful scarves, colorful hats, or even colorful socks for that matter. It really brings a pop of color into my outfit and just makes it stand out, and I absolutely love doing that. So if you have colorful accessories, don't shy away from using them this winter. Now enough about fashion, moving on to skincare tips and tricks and hacks for winter. So as you all know that I have extremely dry and flaky skin, and in winters it just gets worse. So there is this magical kind of recipe and ingredient which my mom makes, and she's been using it on us since our bachpan. So I totally swear by it. It's a part of glycerin, a little bit of lemon and rose water. So my mom mixes them well in some kind of ratio according to your skin and your requirement, and then I mix it with almost everything that I use on my skin, with my face moisturizer, body lotion, body butter, everything. So it really helps to moisturize my skin really well and locks in the moisture for a much longer time. So yeah, if you have dry skin and if you're struggling with flaky dry skin, then please give it a shot. Trust me, you will be thankful, and it just works wonders. Secondly, as I said, that it's extremely important to pamper your skin and take care of it during winter, especially during winter, because this time your skin needs the most hydration. So what I like to do is use sheet masks. Now they are super hydrating and locks in the moisture for a long time and just hydrates your skin really well from within. So these are one great option. And secondly, if you don't have sheet mask, then you can simply rely on good old homemade remedies that I've already spoken about on my channel before. So you can go out, ask your mom as well, and watch those videos, and you'll find some remedies for yourself and your dry skin. Now lastly, when it comes to skincare in winter, I tend to avoid makeup at all. Like, I don't even put on basic concealer or anything, because it just makes it more dry and takes out all the moisture from my skin, and it just makes it really difficult to take care of it really well. So I try to avoid as much as possible, and on days of shoot or anything like that, I just like to put on a lot of skincare products, and maybe a little mascara, little bit of blush, and lots of lip balm, maybe a tinted lip balm. So that really works well to look put together and be presentable. So yeah, say no to makeup. Moving on to hair care. Now it can be a little tricky to take care of your hair during winter, because they tend to get really dry, frizzy, and that static due to woolen clothes is really irritating. So to avoid that, what I like to do is condition my hair really well and properly during the shower. And I also like using some home remedies like curd, egg, and aloe vera in my hair. I know it can get a little messy, but it's really important to lock in that moisture for your hair to make it look really healthy. So yeah, you can deal with that mess once in a while. Also, I would suggest to air dry your hair instead of blow drying your hair every time you shower, because it will just make things worse for your hair and cause more static and frizz, which you don't really want. Only blow dry when it's absolutely necessary and you are in a rush or something. Otherwise, air dry for the win. So always go for that. Lastly, my last tip for today has to be massaging your hair with hair oil once a week, at least once a week, and if it's possible for you, twice a week, because it will provide the right kind of moisture that your hair needs and will maintain your hair health in the long run. So yeah, using a hair oil is really important, and massaging your hair with it is really significant. Always use your hair oil at a warm temperature and massage it really slowly and patiently into your hair. And always use lukewarm water to wash your hair. Don't use extremely hot water, because it will just it's not good for your hair, or extremely cold for that matter. So lukewarm is always good when it comes to hair. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna sign off for today. That's all the gyan that I have for you. So let me know how you like this video in the comments below. And if you like this video, if you enjoyed watching it, if you learned something from it, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do all those good things. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.